Hey there, Omnisenders! Over this year, I've invited various interesting people from all over the world and even from different time periods to participate in our videos. And you know what? We've gathered them all in the studio to bring you the latest happenings in Omnisend. So without further ado, lads, here, have a seat. Reminders. Greetings, my esteemed e-commerce virtuosos. I am Lord Edgar, the Omnisending Pants, at your service. Today we shall embark on a journey through the latest revelations from a grand survey. We queried 4,000 noble souls from US, UK, Australia, Canada about their online shopping proclivities, particularly regarding titans like Amazon and rising stars such as Temu and Shein. The findings are most enlightening. There is a notable migration towards Chinese marketplaces. Despite certain apprehensions about trust, these platforms are swiftly becoming the darlings of shoppers worldwide. Curious about the forces propelling this trend? Seek out the link in the description and delve deeper into these intriguing discoveries. Now let us turn our gaze into an illustrious marketing playbook. A resounding round of applause for our esteemed Standard Plan subscribers. This month we celebrate the triumph from AG3NC. They have not only augmented their email deliverability, but have also tripled their sales since joining our Omnisend family. Wish to unravel their secrets and replicate their success in your own domain? Peruse the full playbook via the link in the description. And to those of you partaking in our complimentary plan, ponder the worth of the playbook. Consider this your gentle nudge to ascend to greater heights. A wealth of actionable insights awaits you, merely a plan upgrade away. Product reviews. Hey everyone, I'm Sandy McSpam, your resident science whiz and email enthusiast. First up, we're over the moon to announce that Omnisend product reviews are now syncing with Google Shopping. Imagine a massive boost in visibility and trust when your product ratings pop up on Google Shopping ads and listings. Just think of it as your products getting their own spotlight moment on the world's biggest stage. To get started, just head over to the Reviews tab in your store settings, toggle on the sync, and follow a few quick steps to link up with the Google Merchant Center. It's easier than solving for x in a basic algebra equation. Next, we're adding a splash of color to reviews. Your customers can now upload up to 5 images with their reviews, turning plain feedback into a vibrant photo gallery of their purchases. It's like turning a science report into a full-blown science fair exhibit. Except without the baking soda volcano. Just remember, those pictures need to be in JPG, JPEG, or PNG formats and under 10 megabytes, because saving digital data is key. And for those of you who have reviews on other platforms, we've got fantastic news. If you've been using Judge Me or Luke's, transferring your existing reviews to Omnisend is now a breeze. With our new import functionality, you can bring over all the stellar comments and their photos without missing a beat. Find this option under the import menu within the reviews tab and start enhancing your store with genuine customer feedback. Now with visuals. Forms. Greetings, weary travelers. It is I, Discount Sandalf. Gather around my cauldron and let me share some improvements from the mystical realm of Omnisend. First, let us shift gears into some enchanting enchantments to our forms that will help you fine-tune your audience engagement. We've been busy rubbing some code snippets together, like a wizard mixing potions, to bring you something truly magical. New JavaScript events for your forms, designed to blend seamlessly with your favorite analytics tools, like Google Analytics. These upgrades allow you to track user behavior with great detail and precision than ever before. Whether it's a simple view, an interaction within a form, or a full submission, you'll have the arcane data you need to make informed decisions. It's like having a crystal ball, but way cooler. And for those brave souls using multi-step forms, we're really turning up the heat. Now you can track not just the overall engagement, but also delve deep into each step of the form. You'll discover which steps are performing splendidly and where users might be dropping off, thanks to events like Step View, Step Interaction, and Step Submit. But remember, my fellow wizards, even the best spells require a bit of fine-tuning. Automation. Ahoy there, me hearties. This I, Captain Omniwave. We're setting sail into an exhilarating new feature, our automation SMS block for Shopify users. We've plundered the depths and brought forth the treasure. Now you can splice discount coupons right into your SMS messages. It's designed to give your text message promotions that extra punch, straight from the captain's quarters. Here's the treasure map. Now you can easily set up various types of discounts directly within the SMS block, akin to how you wield your email builder. Slash prices across entire orders, target minimum spends, or hook customers with offers on specific collections, all with a flick of a cutlass. And there's more booty to be had. You can also chart when these discounts expire, allowing you to create timely offers that spur swift customer action. It's like setting course for treasure and watching the crew hoist sails in pursuit. Segmentation. Greetings, fashion aficionados. I'm Max Omniwear, your guide to style and digital innovation, courtesy of Omnisend. Let's delve into a fabulous new tool designed to simplify your life: the Push Owl subscriber import feature. The sleek addition ensures your push notification subscribers seamlessly integrate into Omnisend's realm. Here's your runway success. First, connect with Push Owl support to secure your subscriber list and private key for secure data transfer. Next, effortlessly input your private key and upload your subscriber list into Omnisend. And voila, confirm the import, and just like that, your push notification subscribers are now ready to strut their stuff in your Omnisend marketing campaigns. Yes, it's as easy as slipping into your favorite pair of designer shoes. Integrations. Well, my dear listeners. It's Walter Omniwell here, your charismatic radio host from the swinging 50s. First on the airwaves is Sure Triggers. Picture this app as your trustworthy sidekick for automating those repetitive tasks. It syncs seamlessly with all your favorite marketing apps, letting you automate the mundane so you can focus on the marvelous. Next, we introduce Mail Timers, an nifty tool for creating customized countdown timers in your emails. Whether you're creating urgency for a sale or counting down to a fabulous event, Mail Timers helps you build anticipation that keeps your audience on the edge of their seats. And now meet Combine for email. This AI-powered tool works like magic, transforming your email designs into polished Omnisend campaigns with just a snap of your fingers. It's all about efficiency, ensuring your creative ideas translate swiftly into captivating campaigns. Last but certainly not least, we have Opt-in Monster. What a gem for growing your subscriber list. This tool's drag-and-drop builder lets you conjure up compelling pop-ups, sticky floating bars, and even playful spin-a-wheel campaigns that captivate and convert visitors faster than you can say radio waves. And there you have it, folks. Thank you everyone for coming. It was a doozy to have you here. Oh, you can't see them, but they're on the other side of the camera for budget reasons. And thank you, dear viewers, for watching. Remember, Omnisend is always ready to help you with your omnichannel marketing endeavors. And if you would be in need of assistance, our 24/7 support team is a live chat away. Thanks for watching, and see you next month. Ta-da!